Hey guys, so this time we're going to have this little preview. We're going to check this application that is going to handle multiple HTTP requests using RxJs. And let me apologize if you hear that my voice sounds, you know, different. It's because I'm sick. I'm still sick. I've been sick like a week and and so. And as long as I can record a video, I'm going to do it. So we should have this one. Okay, I should be able to record that on the 28th to have this next week, next Tuesday. And I will show you another thing that we're going to do in the next preview for the 31st. Okay, that is Thursday. And another thing before starting with this, I'm starting with 3AS. Okay, so we're going to have a course on that. I'm just starting that, so I'm not sure when it's going to be ready. It shouldn't be that long. So expect to have 3AS and also some front-end development things. What I mean by that, okay, not only like this, because this is front-end, okay, this is front-end development, but something more like UI design, okay, building, I don't know, navigations, cool effects, also with 3JS, sliders, carousels with JavaScript. So I'm going to start adding those things because sometimes I would like to have something that I could fit on maybe Tuesdays. Okay, that it doesn't take me that long to create. So I'm planning to add that to the channel so we can have kind of a full stack, not only front end development like this, but also UI and back end with Node.js and Python, and of course Laravel and PHP. So yeah, just wanted to say that so you know what is going to be happening to the channel. It's going to change a little bit, and let's go to the review. Okay, well, this is not a review, this is a preview. So you can see that we can select multiple with this, but we can only handle 2 requests. Let me refresh that. Why? Because I only set that to handle 2 requests. That's why I'm going to ask, or we are going to handle only 2 sources. We're going to fetch those sources from this input select, and depending on the value, make a call to the news API that is free. Also, you can also create your account right now and to have it ready if you want to follow along with the tutorial. So let's demonstrate how this works. So BBC News, I'm only going to select one, submit, and you can see we are going to get an error because what is going to happen, and I'm going to explain that during the process of the tutorial, we're going to get an error, okay, that is going to break the application. If we use certain RxJS operator, it's going to break, but with another one, it's going to allow us to handle those errors, okay? So we are not going to focus on how to share or cache the request so it doesn't make the request once I add another one. Let's say we still have BC News and I say BC Sport, submit. You can see that it refetches, well, it makes 2 other requests, okay? But with RxJS you should be able to, once we get to that, because we will get to that in another tutorial, and you will see how to handle those cache requests to an API. Okay, so it doesn't send back. Now, in this case, we're only going to focus on building this and handling the error and why this works and why the other one doesn't work. Okay, so we get at least that, the understanding. So this error should break the application, but it doesn't. And now you can see that we have this, okay, that is going to be returned with a null value that it was because the error. And if we fetch what we need to fetch, then everything works fine. But what if I add another one? So let's say submit. We have this alert. You must select only two sources. Okay, and it cancels everything. Okay, so that's why I'm just going to focus on the process of creating this, handling multiple requests, and adding the structure for the application not to break. Okay, although it seems simple, it takes some work, not a lot. It shouldn't be more than 1 hour of tutorial. Okay, but yeah, also I don't think it's needed, but it's full responsive. I just wanted to do that because I'm going to upload this one to Heroku, or I'm planning to do it. So if you want me to record how to upload this to Heroku, let me know, of course, and I will show you that. And okay, that is all about this one, I think. So I hope I can get better. I don't want to be coughing during the tutorial, that's why I'm not sure, but this one should be ready, or I should be able to record this on the 28th where my throat is better, and maybe have this on the 29th. If not, expect or let's hope to have it on the 21st or the 31st. Okay, so I'm going to change the banner, and we're going to handle or we're going to have 2 days, okay, of uploading. Maybe not right now, but yes, expect to have content Tuesday and Thursday once I get some shit done. So okay, that's all for this preview, and see you in the next one.